In today's video, I'm going to share a really cool method with you that you can use today to start making money online and from home using Amazon. Now, for this, we're going to look at two completely different methods, and I'll share with you my earnings from one of these because I'm actually going ahead and implementing what I'm going to show you in this video, and I'll also share with you another way that you can make money. So we'll cover this from two different angles. And look, before we jump into the video, let me just go ahead and share with you my earnings and show you that I'm actually doing what I'm going to be teaching you in today's video. So this here is over in one of my Amazon Associates accounts. You can see in the last 30 days I've earned $95.14. And how did I earn that money? I didn't do a thing. I genuinely didn't. And you might be thinking, well, that's utter nonsense. How can you make money from not doing any work? And I'm not even talking about niche blogs and websites. I'm talking about a process and a system which I've set up a couple of times and now it just runs on autopilot. So that's some of my earnings from one of the methods I'm going to be sharing with you. And as I've mentioned, I'm going to give you two different options with this. So if you're ready for this, drop a comment down below for me, give the video a like, and yeah, let's jump into it and I'll walk you through this process to make money online and from home using Amazon. But before all of that, if you like simple ways to make money online and work from home, then subscribe to the channel and hit notifications, and then you'll always know when I've uploaded a new video. And if you want some free resources to make money online, come over to my blog and check out my free members area. All of the things that you see on the screen right now, they're all absolutely free and waiting for you. Hello, it's Mark from Not Taught at School and welcome to today's video. So today we're looking at how you can make money with Amazon, and I'll be absolutely honest with you, whilst Amazon can bring you in some relatively okay money, it's not something I'm focusing on too much within my online business, but using a piece of software, I automate the whole thing. So this $95 on the screen here, I've not done anything for this. So using the software, what I'm going to share with you in this video, you set it up, it runs on autopilot, and if I put in a bit more time and effort into this, then I know for a fact I could be earning a lot more money with this. But at this moment in time, I'm focusing on different areas. But either way, it's still a passive income. So we'll look at two methods. So first of all, let me share this one with you. So let's jump over here onto this here. This is in the Amazon Associates, and basically on here you can find all of the different bounties. And what that means is, you see where it says bounties. But come over here, you can go ahead and earn some relatively okay money from promoting and sharing free trials on Amazon. So you see here on the left hand side, you've got these different ones. So you've got Amazon Prime, you've also got Amazon Music, and a few more. But one which I've been looking at a little bit lately is this one here, which is the Audible, Amazon Audible. If I go over here, I'll show you what this is. Let's go up to the top. So it's audio books. Now within here, I actually have an Amazon Audible account. You get Audible books in absolutely any category, any niche. You've got health, fitness, you've got stuff for the kids, you've got self-development, business, and lots more. It's really cool and it's relatively cheap for what you get. But what you can do is you can send people over here and they can sign up for free and get access to this platform. And there's lots of stuff in here. You can see there's audio books, there's originals, there's podcasts, and there's loads of stuff in here. And you can come down and go through and look at this. So how does the free trial work? So you're not actually going to be selling anything for this. You're literally giving something away for free, and you can earn, how much can you earn here? Audible free trial. You can earn $5 for this one. If someone goes for the gold, you can earn $10. Plus paid membership, you can earn $10. So you can earn some okay money from this by driving people over to a free trial. And if we go over here, you can see you can go for it. I'll drop a link to this page here below for you. You can go ahead and have a look at the frequently asked questions page on here. So it's essentially affiliate marketing. So we're going to be using our platform Amazon as where we would get our affiliate link from. The next part is we need to create content so that we can drive people over to Amazon and essentially go ahead and get this free trial over on Audible here. So how would you do that? Well, I was doing a bit of research for a blog article and I come across some of these accounts over on Instagram. This was the first one. It's called Book Review Genie. You can see they've got 4,000 followers and they're just sharing pictures of books on here. I found another one over here. pretty similar again, just sharing images of different books and reviews. But all they're doing is they're just uploading images of books. And you can go ahead and look, there's a few accounts which are doing this, but what I've noticed on a lot of these where they're putting up these book reviews, if I scroll up to the top here, look, see this here, this is where you would normally put a link. This person, I don't even know where they're linking to. They're linking to the personal profile on Instagram. So they're not monetizing, which is just nuts. There's this one over here where they're linking out to. Well, nowhere. They're not linking out again. So how you could do this is you sign up with Amazon Associates, you then create an Instagram account, and you start uploading these. I mean, look at it, 9,000 likes from this, 6,000, 3,000, 8,000, etc., etc. So you create an Instagram account and you start uploading images. Now the images, where could you find them from? Well, guess what? You could go on Audible and go through and get your images from here and start uploading them. Then up here within Amazon, you see here, you can include a link in here, and I'll show you mine. Let me go ahead and show you this. Go on Profile, click on Linktree here. So you can have a link over on, go back over here, on here, so down below, they're not linking out to anything. On my account, I've got a link here. Anyone clicks on there, it lands on this page here, and look at then from here I'm sending them over to my YouTube course, my affiliate marketing course, over to my blog and a couple of other different places. But this link tree here is absolutely free to get started with. So you could create an Instagram account, you could start sharing content, books, book reviews, images, other bits, and then you could get your links over from here, like this one here, the free trial, gold membership, and the other bits, and you put them in Linktree and you put them in here. And people click on here, and look at if I click on here, free YouTube course, where am I sending them? Sending them over to my free YouTube course. But in there, you'd put a link over to Audible so someone could go ahead and get the free trial. Really simple and easy stuff. And look, this doesn't work just with Amazon, it works with any affiliate network you can think of. It works with ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, etc., etc. So that's method number one. So you could literally go over to Amazon and start promoting Audible. And as I've mentioned here, it's not just Audible. There's Amazon Music, there's Amazon Prime, there's lots more in here. Amazon Family, I don't even know what that is. Amazon Business, Registry. Scroll down, look at all of these ones here. There's loads, absolutely loads of these things that you can go ahead and start promoting with the Amazon Associates. So that is method number one. Now this will take some time and effort, and obviously if you're going onto Instagram and create an account, you need to build up that account. Now there is a way that you could fast track this, and you could use a platform like this one over here, and it's called Influencer Cart. Now on here, what you can actually do is you can find, I hate that word, influencers. You can get an influencer and they will essentially give you a shout out on their channel, and it shows you, if I just give you an example here, so this person here, it shows you how many followers they've got, how much it starts from, so that is how much you would pay for a shout out. And then if you come down here, it shows you the niche what they're in. So what's this doing? Is in quotes and text, and then it shows you the three main countries from where their traffic is coming from. So you can go through and have a look at this. So you'd go through, you'd find a category, go ahead and have a look at this, and you see like this one here, look, $2. So some of these are starting out pretty cheap. I mean, some of them are a bit. I mean, $40 for a shout out is a lot of money. But look at this, $2 to 9,000 people in the. Sorry, I've not got my glasses on. Personal and talent niche. So you could come over to a platform like this, and once you've started putting content onto your Instagram account, you could come over here, pay one of these influencers, and get them to shout you out, and then they'll put your page over on their page, and hopefully, all being well, you'll get people clicking on your links, going over to Amazon, Audible, etc., and you earn a commission from doing so. Pretty simple stuff. Anybody can do this, and you can, as I've mentioned, you can do this with woodworking, you can do this with a number of niches, products, categories. So if I come back up here, this is Influencer Cart. So that's one method. So literally creating an account on Instagram and then just driving the traffic over to Amazon. Another method that you can use, and this is the one that I'm using, and why I like this is you don't touch it basically. So I use this over here. It's a piece of software called Yive, and I'll drop a link to this below for you. Go ahead and have a look at this and check it out. So what happens here is I have earned this. Where has it gone? I've earned this $95 over here from this piece of software. So what does this piece of software do? Well, basically I put in keywords for this related to products on Amazon. It then goes ahead and creates videos for me from the customer reviews on Amazon, and it builds videos, and then it does all that for you. Then it uploads it to YouTube for you, includes your affiliate link and lots more. And let me share this with you. In the last 30 days, how many videos have I uploaded to YouTube? I've uploaded 2,272. And I've not done a thing. All I've done is I've set up a campaign, I've put in a couple of keywords, and it's uploaded these videos onto YouTube for me. Now, let me just put this disclaimer out there. The videos that this creates, these are not Hollywood blockbuster videos. They're not videos like what Vidnami and other pieces of software can create. This is, as you can see, it's video mass marketing. So you're going to get a lot of videos put onto YouTube. The quality is pretty mediocre, but does it work? 100%. As you can see here, the earnings are up here for the month so far. And it's not just Amazon that you can use this software for. You can use it for working with local clients. You can use it for affiliate marketing and lots more. And I'll just give you a quick walkthrough of this, but as I've mentioned, there is a link down below if you want to go ahead and check this out for yourself. On the left hand side here, you've got campaigns. So click on campaigns, and I'm going to click on new campaign. See here, look, Amazon. This is where I would create an Amazon campaign. You can also do it for keywords, URLs, and lots more in here. And when you purchase this software, there is training down here. So it shows you how to make money with not only this, but if I go into here, it shows you how to set the software, how to use this. But look, it shows you how to make money with webinars. It shows you a full video on ClickBank. I mean, this video here, it's over an hour long, so it's pretty in-depth. It walks through this affiliate marketing, working with clients, the Yive local client campaigns, automated websites, and lots more. So it's pretty good. So if I come over here, I'm going to click on new campaign. I'm going to come down here, I'm going to click on Amazon campaign, obviously, and click on next step. Fill out this field. Oh, sorry. Amazon campaign one, we'll just go with that. Come down here, I'm going to click on next step. Products, so region, so which region do you want to target? Again, it's all of the Amazons on here, so you literally just pick which one you want to go with. So we'll just go with Amazon.com. Now here, you see where it says here, search Amazon products. This is where you type in the keyword of the product that you want to basically have the software create a video for you. So let's just go with, Christmas. Let's just go with Christmas for now because it's only a month away. And click on search. And you see it's found all of these products here for you. So let me just come down here. If you wanted to load more, look, you can click on again and it will load more. So look at this one here. These will be, maybe I should make this not as broad. So let me just type in Christmas lights. Let's just go with that for example. Christmas lights, and click on search. Let the software run. And you see it brings up 15 products at a time. If you want to load more products, you just click on it again. Sorry, I should have cleared it and got rid of all of these ones here. Just come down here and get rid of these. So you see, hang on, sorry, let me just get rid of these. That one and that one's gone. So come down here. So look, what's happened here is the software uses the Amazon API key. It goes into Amazon, it finds products related to the keyword, what you put in up here. It then goes and finds all of the customer reviews and it imports them all into Yive, and anything with a rating of 4 or above, it will bring this in for you. So you can select any of the products here that you want this software to create a video around for you. So you can select them all, you can select individual ones. If you want to load more, you just go up to the top here and click on load more products. But we're happy with that, so we'll just progress with this for now. Click on save and go to next. So look, it's a 4-step process. So we've done type 1, which is in Amazon campaign. We've done part 2, which is the products. We've only got 2 more bits to do, then it's done. And then once you've done this, it just runs on autopilot for you. This is where you're telling the software how long you want your videos to be on YouTube. So this one up here, slides per video, I want 15 slides to 20 slides. You can extend this, you can make it longer or shorter if you want. And as you do so, you'll notice down here, watch, the time goes up depending on how big you want to make the slides. You can also change the duration per slide, so how long you want the slide to appear on the screen, so you can edit this and just drag it basically. Then we come down here, you can add an animation to this if you want. You can add on text overlays, outlays, you can even include text to speech, so you can use Amazon Poly. You can go ahead and use, all of the different languages on here. You've also got the option for male or female if you really want to. This here, you've got outro text, so click link in description for more reviews. So, or click link in description to check these out. This is basically your call to action within your video where you're trying to direct people over to Amazon, obviously, so you can earn some money. Then you've also got options to play around with this. You can have, you see here, outro background. This is the outro of the video, so you can have a color on here, you can have an image. You can also change these colors as well. And also you've got outro text color. So you can play around with this as much as you want. I'm just going to click on save and go to next. Now this here, we're now on part 4. So once we've done this last bit, we then click on start and it'll start running these campaigns for us. So distribution, so you've got 3 options here. You've got auto upload videos, you've got manual or none. So I don't know why none's in there. You click on auto, so it will automatically upload these videos for you. Here you've got YouTube channel, so you'd select which YouTube channel you want this video to be shared on. So you can see on here, you can set up groups. So you can see I've got an Amazon campaign here, I've got an affiliate marketing campaign, and then I've got also, different YouTube channels. So you'd select the channels where you want it to go. So in this example, we'll just go with this garden campaign I've got on here. Upload interval, so how often do you want the software to upload a video onto those channels? So this is set to every 60 minutes. Again, you can change this if you want to. You put in your Amazon tag on here. Scroll further down the page, you've got a call to action, and then this here, the description. You type in the description now, and then once the video goes live on YouTube, it will populate the description for you. You've also got a description after, so that's after you've put in your keyword, so after you put in your affiliate link, and then come further down the page here. You add an Amazon affiliate disclosure. You can include thumbnails if you want, how many videos per day you want to upload, and then I just leave all this. And then if you want, you can schedule a campaign to go out a later date, but I always just leave it on start immediately. Click on save campaign, and that is pretty much it done. So literally it will just start to create this campaign for you and run on autopilot. And as you've seen here, come back over here, in the last 30 days, this software has created for me 2,272 videos, and I'm sending them over to Amazon, and I'm also sending them over to a couple of other different affiliate programs. But look, that's today's video. So this piece of software is called Yive. I'll drop a link to this down below for you. And yeah, if you've got any comments or questions, let me know. If you found the video useful, please give it a like. But thanks for watching, have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow.